Effects. I'm Kushal Jaju. I'm a creative head at Rustic Art. And today we are going to talk a lot about the problems that we face in winters and उसको हम किस तरह से combat कर सकते हैं. In short, Rustic Art के बारे में आपको थोड़ा बताना चाहूँगा कि we are a family run business based out of Satara and all the products and the brand itself was born from women's vision and it is grown by women's hands. Meaning कि we have 80% women employment and everything that you use is a testament to their quality and their skill. Rustic Art के products are economical, eco-friendly and effective. These are long-lasting products. So you already know that we have concentrated series of products. आपने हमारा face wash use किया ही होगा. Our face washes have garnered over 25,000 5-star reviews across e-commerce platforms in India. And आपको बस याद दिलाना चाहूँगा कि we use real ingredients in our particular products. जैसे हम एक real neem, टैमरिंड, पपाया, क्यूकम्बर ये हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स में जाते हैं. आप लोगों को कहना चाहूँगा कि इफ़ यू वॉच दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम फॉर मोर देन 30 seconds you are entitled to a 15% discount on the products that are listed below. So today we are going to talk about all the problems that we face in winters. जैसे कि आपको फ्रिज की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है या फिर अगर आपको बॉल्डिंग का इशू आ रहा है. And how can we combat all of this? So let's talk about frizz and why hair health can be affected because of the kind of showers you take. तो अगर आप hot water showers ले रहे हो या अगर आप hot water directly अपने सर पे डाल रहे हो तो you will face balding. Our scalp was never meant to be exposed to any kind of heat. So if you are doing any heat styling या फिर treatments which involves heat, that will result in improper hair health, it will result in hair loss and it will result eventually in balding. तो हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स आज इन्हीं चीज़ों को हम लोग कैसे टारगेट कर सकते हैं और कॉम्बैट कर सकते हैं, तो आइए जानते हैं. तो particularly if you want to combat frizz, the first product that we recommend is our Nourishing Hair Oil. Nourishing Hair Oil is actually cold pressed carrier oils का powerhouse. So इसमें you have products, you have oils like black seed, almond, sesame, castor, jojoba. All of these are meant to promote your hair growth. And this is safe for all the hair types. And it is also safe for your scalp. And it is perfected for today's hair care needs, जो कि mainly frizz है या फिर damage due to heat है. Our hair oil will actually protect from damage that is caused due to excessive heat from styling या फिर sunlight, pollution है. It provides you with deep nourishment. So what we recommend is at least 2 hours before you shampoo your hair, you should apply your hair oil. Best results can be obtained if you apply it overnight. So this is the first step to combat frizz this winter, specifically in winter, जहाँ पे frizz की problem सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. तो this will reduce frizz and hair damage. ये नरिशमेंट देगा एंड नरिशमेंट इज नॉट अचीव्ड बाय एनी वॉश ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. नरिशमेंट इज अचीव्ड बाय अ लीव ऑन प्रोडक्ट. तो आपको ये यूज़ करना है ताकि आप अपने बालों को मैनेजेबल बना सके एंड दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप टूवर्ड्स फ्रिज फ्री हेयर स्टाइल. वी फॉलो आवर नरिशिंग हेयर ऑयल विद आवर रेंज ऑफ शैम्पूज. You must be familiar with liquid shampoo, but today I'd like to introduce you to shampoo butter. It is shampoo but better. So this is first of its kind and a very unique product where it is leak proof, travel friendly formulation. यहाँ पे it is actually safe for all the hair types, particularly our mint eucalyptus shampoo butter variant. This is safe for even curly hair and colored hair or chemically treated hair. So irrespective of what your hair type is, this shampoo will suit you. So once you've used our Nourishing Hair Oil, the next step towards having a great hair day is using our shampoo butter. Or if you are interested in shampoo bars, I'd like to introduce you to our shampoo bars range, which is covered in butter paper once you get it. So our shampoo bars and are soap free in formulation. So you get a sturdy shampoo bar जिसको आपको यूज़ के बाद upright store करना है. As discussed in our previous live, this is very highly engineered design कि जो कम से कम leak हो even after use. So you can just grab onto it, you can create lather and then apply it, or else you can directly use the bar on your hair. This is safe for scalp, so no worries there. You need to understand कि when you switch from commercial products to our natural and organic range of products, आपको एक एडजस्टमेंट पीरियड जाएगा. उस एडजस्टमेंट पीरियड में होता यह है कि जो पिछले प्रोडक्ट से आपके बालों में एक सिलिकॉन का बिल्डअप होता है, वो सबसे पहले इस बिल्डअप को हटाता है. सो वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेरीज कि वाई इज इट ड्राइंग माई हेयर सो मच एंड why does my hair feel different after using your products. So it is because it is removing silicone that is already damaged your hair. So once you use our hair oil and then you wash off, you will feel little bit of dryness in the beginning, but this will eventually remove all the silicone, and from the third week onwards your hair will become bouncy. It will get rid of all the frizz. आपको ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि these concentrated products will last 3 times longer if used properly than your liquid shampoos. We also have liquid shampoos which we will talk about in a minute. But ये products आपका एक water footprint कम करता है, carbon footprint कम करता है. These products last almost 4 to 6 months if used properly. Water efficient कहते हैं हम इनको. So depending on your hair type, you can choose whichever shampoo butter or shampoo bar that suits you, and you must follow it up with your hair oil. All these products are sulfate and paraben free. इसमें कोई सिलिकॉन्स नहीं है और कोई एडेड फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है, which stands true even for our liquid shampoos. तो लिक्विड शैम्पूज में भी वही है कि ये सल्फेट्स पैराबेन्स इसमें नहीं है, और जो इनका सर्फैक्टेंट है, दैट सर्फैक्टेंट इज एक्चुअली डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. उसका शुगर केन एंड ऑल द अदर ग्रेन्स, उनसे इन सबका सर्फैक्टेंट ब्लेंड डिराइव होता है. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस इज अनलाइक सल्फेट्स एंड लॉरल सल्फेट्स, इसका मॉलिक्यूलर साइज इज स्लाइटली बिगर, so which washes off easily as compared to your sulfur based या फिर sulfate based shampoos which are available in the market. Again, these products are safe for your curly hair and your colored hair, chemically treated hair. So irrespective what your hair type is, you will again go through with a adjustment period for this, which is going to be responsible for removing all the silicones from your hair and eventually leading to a good hair day every single day. Do we have any questions regarding this so far? Our hair care routine right now, we've oiled our hair overnight and then we've washed it off with our sulfate and paraben and fragrance free shampoos. And yes, do we have any questions?
We'll take that.
Sweet. So the next step in your hair care routine is conditioning. So we do have a traditional liquid conditioner which will condition your hair as traditional conditioners do. But what we've come up with is an innovative product जिसको हम कहते हैं conditioning bar. So this is Amla Methi hair conditioning bar. This is a soap-free conditioning bar which is again safe for all the hair types irrespective of what your hair type is. It is free from silicones, and the best part about this is it will again last longer. You can just grab onto this, you can glide it across your hair and leave it on for a couple of minutes and then wash it off, which will result in removal of frizz and making your hair bouncy. So हम लोगों ने आंवला, अगर आप देखोगे हमारे शैम्पू बार में भी आंवला शिकाकाई है, and this is आंवला मेथी. So let's talk a little bit about why amla is such an important ingredient in your hair care. So amla is rich in fatty acids and it is rich in antioxidants. तो जो free radicals होते हैं, वो free radicals आपके बालों को root से थोड़ा सा weak करते हैं, like eventually day by day. So to combat those free radicals, we have something rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which are again of course naturally derived. तो वो जब आपके रूट्स से इन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, इन फ्री रेडिकल्स को इरेडिकेट करते हैं, इट देन रिजल्ट्स इनटू योर प्रॉपर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ हेयर. इट विल रिजल्ट इन थिकर हेयर. दिस अगेन कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ मल्टीविटामिन्स, मिनरल्स एंड अमाइनो एसिड which conditions your hair, and it eventually will add a shine ओवर द टाइम. सो जैसे जैसे आप इस कंडीशनर को यूज़ करोगे, इट विल रिड्यूस फ्रिज, इट विल मेक योर हेयर मैनेजेबल, इट विल एड अ ब्यूटिफुल बाउंस टू योर हेयर, and eventually it will add a shine and a gloss. So all these products are dedicated to your winter hair care. And the very last product in your frizz free hair care routine is our coconut coriander hair cream. This is a new product which has been well received by you all people. Thank you so much for that. I would love to talk about this hair cream for a bit. This is again safe for all the hair types. So just like hair oil, this is a leave-on product. You don't wash it off. Leave-on product की beauty ये है कि it will protect you from any kind of heat damage. So may it be sunlight, may it be any kind of styling or pollution for say. उन सब से आपको ये हेयर क्रीम बचाएगी. एंड जो कंडीशनर के बाद आपको एक नरिशमेंट देनी है अपने बालों को, स्लो नरिशमेंट. सो लेट्स जस्ट सी, लुक एट द टेक्सचर. So this is the amount that, but I would need something like, you know, volume of my hair. I would just rub it in and apply it on my hair and just leave it on, and that's gone. So it doesn't have a oily texture to it. आपको ये चारों प्रोडक्ट्स बैक टू बैक यूज़ करने के बाद आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको पहले ही यूज़ से यू आर नोटिसिंग अ डिफरेंस. यू आर नोटिसिंग अ डिफरेंस इन योर हेयर केयर. सो फ्रिज मेंटेन करने के लिए, अब मैं फ्रिज इतनी बार इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि विंटर्स आ रहे हैं एंड दैट इज़ द मेजर कंसर्न दैट पीपल अप्रोच अस विथ.
We have
So-
couple of questions.
Yes.
Is conditioner bar a soap?
No, so conditioning bars is not soap. This is soap free product. हमने अभी डिस्कस किया था. It is a soap free product. It is made, I don't know how I can explain it without revealing the formulation, so I would like to hold back on it. But if you can get in touch with us, I would like to personally explain it to you. But this is a soap-free product, and just how I explained, it conditions your hair because of the ingredients as we mentioned it. इसको इस फॉर्मेट में बनाने का रीज़न वॉज कि कंडीशनर्स लिक्विड आप यूज़ करते ही थे, बट इसमें यू गेट बेटर कवरेज. इसमें you can end up using extra product, but with a bar you can just glide it across your hair and you'll never end up using extra product. So in turn this will last much longer. So that being the ideology behind coming up with a bar to begin with. Similarly, our shampoo bars, you cannot ever overuse this product कि एक बार के बाद आपके बाल सैचुरेट हो जाएंगे जितना शैम्पू उन बालों को चाहिए, तो you will never end up overusing the product. So these are economical in the long run.
Will it work for hair fall?
Hair fall के लिए again, so see, wash off products will never work. I mean they will because they get rid of all the dirt and all the free radicals that are there. So उन चीज़ों को combat करने के बाद obviously it will promote a better hair health. But for long term hair health you need leave on products. जैसे ओवरनाइट आपने नरिशिंग हेयर ऑयल यूज़ किया है, या आपके इस पूरे हेयर केयर रूटीन के बाद यू पुट ऑन आर कोकोनट कोरिएंडर हेयर क्रीम. सो दिस हैज़ jojoba and vitamin C which combats all the heat and pollution damage that we spoke about. तो modern day problems need modern day solutions. So that is why we've perfected it for today's needs. आज की जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उसके लिए ये प्रोडक्ट बनाया गया है. तो फॉर हेयर नरिशमेंट एंड टू प्रमोट बेटर हेयर हेल्थ यू नीड लीव ऑन प्रोडक्ट्स. डू वी हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस?
कंडीशनिंग बार को पोस्ट बाथ यूज करना है या प्री बाथ?
एक्चुअली इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. कई बार ऐसे भी होता है कि लोगों को लीव इन, मतलब जो प्री शैम्पू कंडीशनर कहते हैं वो यूज़ करने की आदत है, बट दिस इज स्ट्रिक्टली अ पोस्ट शैम्पू कंडीशनिंग बार. तो आपको शैम्पू करने के बाद ही इस कंडीशनिंग बार को यूज़ करना है, बिकॉज आप इसको अगर शैम्पू के पहले यूज़ करते हो तो इट विल कंडीशन योर हेयर, बट शैम्पू विल अगेन वॉश ऑफ ऑल द लीव. जो थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग उसको रूट्स के बारे में अभी जो हमने डिस्कस किया था कि वो रूट्स में जाकर ये शाइन ऐड करता है या कंडीशन करता है बालों को. शैम्पू विल वॉश ऑफ ऑल दैट प्रोडक्ट. तो यू नीड टू यूज इट पोस्ट शैम्पू. प्री शैम्पू कंडीशनिंग के लिए एक्चुअली हेयर ऑयल है, इसीलिए हम लोग कह रहे थे कि यूज इट ओवरनाइट और एटलीस्ट 2 hours बिफोर वॉशिंग योर हेयर, so that this will act like your pre shampoo conditioner. I hope that answers your question. Any other questions? No. So next step in our winter care is your foot care cream. So if you guys remember, if you're long-term users of our foot care cream, we used to give it in this tiny little jar. But eventually आप लोगों ने बोलने के बाद हमको realize हुआ कि you need more of it, and that is why it is now coming in a new packaging, and it is more economical, to be honest, as compared to our older packaging. So let's talk about foot care cream. Foot care cream इसीलिए important है कि cracked heels है, itching है, और winter में dryness बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, especially in the extremities. तो आपका sole of your feet, that is what suffers the most because that is in contact with the earth for the longest time. So the way we recommend using our foot care cream, which is now in a different packaging, is to clean your feet. So usually post shower, you clean your feet, you scoop off, you apply it, and probably wear a socks, or keep it covered. So इससे होता यह है कि it retains moisture in your feet. People don't realize, people only use their moisturizer for face या फिर hands and the rest of the body, but feet get neglected a lot, and cracked feet will be painful eventually. So to get rid of all those cracked feet, foot care cream is your winner. It has all the beautiful ingredients like lemon, orange, peppermint, aloe vera, all the great butters and all our favorite oils. These actually absorb in your skin pretty quickly. So you will notice a result in the very first application itself, but over time you will get addicted is what I'll say. So do give Citrus Mint Foot Care Cream a try this winter and save your feet from getting cracked. Next is a lavender body massage oil. विंटर में मसाजेस किसको पसंद नहीं है? इफ़ यू रिमेंबर एज ए किड हमारे बहुत सारे मसाजेस होते थे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू लव इट अ लॉट, बट समहाउ as we started growing up, those massages went away. So this is your sign to pamper yourself again. Lavender massage oil is a soothing blend of lavender, eucalyptus and calendula. So these are our favorite ingredients to calm a person down. आपको stress free, pain relief, cold का congestion है, so this will combat everything. What we realized over time was our consumers, our customers were using it as a winter moisturizer, and we didn't realize that it can be used in that particular way. So if you're looking for a winter moisturizer, you can also use body massage oil post shower. So on your warm body, you can take a few drops and apply it all over your body, and you can apply it all over your body, and this will also declog your nose. तो अगर आपको cold में cough या फिर blocked nose की problem है, so there is camphor in it, जो हम भीमसेनी कपूर कहते हैं, that will help unclog your nose. So this is stress free, stress relief, pain relief and cold relief to a certain extent. So you can achieve a glowing skin while having your ice creams without caring about a clogged nose.
Can foot care cream be used on other body parts like arms, knees, hands, etc.?
You can use it in your pit areas, you can use it on your elbows, any extremities जहाँ पर भी आपको dryness का issue होता है, which is mainly observed in your elbows, your knees, ankles, sole of your feet, knee pits and armpits. Armpits में चलो फिर भी we do have a deo range that you can use, which has moisturizing properties of its own, which is specifically targeted for that intimate area. But otherwise, I guess you can use it. We've been using it on our hands and it's been giving us good results. So you can definitely use it on other parts of your body. Next, obviously, winter moisturizer की बात कर रहे हैं तो we do have moisturizers dedicated for winter. जो हमारा बॉडी लोशन है, ब्लूबेरी बॉडी लोशन एंड रोज बर्गमोट स्किन क्रीम. These are your heroes. This is actually blend of again our favorite oils, which are also present in our massage oil to some extent. But having a dedicated moisturizer will also give you certain SPF properties which are not available dedicatedly in our lavender massage oil, but which is there in our sunscreen. तो लोशन का सबसे मेजर एप्लीकेशन तो आपका मेन बॉडी ही है. तो आफ्टर शावर ऑन योर वार्म बॉडी यू कैन अप्लाई दिस, और मे बी यू वांट टू यूज इट लेट एट नाइट जस्ट फॉर कीपिंग योर स्किन सॉफ्ट एंड सपल. तो वी recommend cleaning your skin first and then applying these lotions. So we have skin cream which has a slightly different consistency as compared to your body lotion, which doesn't mean that it cannot be used otherwise. You can also very well use body lotion on your face, and your skin cream on your hands. We wouldn't recommend it for the rest of the body, but if you like it, people have been surprising us. So if you do like these, otherwise do let us know, because again, curiosity will lead to other products for us to develop. Do I need to say anything more? Beard oil. Beard oil is actually one of our underdog products. Beard oil has actually helped me, as you can see, and people don't realize it, but beard care is most neglected care of all. आपको आपके बियर्ड के नीचे की स्किन का बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखना ही है, क्योंकि as much as your beard retains moisture for your skin, you do need a dedicated moisturizer and something that helps the beard. जैसे हम लोगों ने अभी बात करी थी कि आपके हेयर ग्रोथ के लिए you need something that is dedicated, which will target its roots. But beard oil is again something that will help keep the skin beneath the beard moisturized. It will promote beard growth obviously, but I'm talking about things that get neglected. जैसे अब विंटर है, आपको ड्राई स्किन की प्रॉब्लम है, आपको डैंड्रफ हो सकता है, जिसको हम बियर्ड डैंड्रफ या फिर बियर्ड रफ भी कहते हैं. So that is where you use this regularly to keep a healthier skin, and once you have healthier skin, that will be your breeding ground for healthier beard. So I cannot emphasize enough, if you do have a beard, you need to take care of your beard.
Somebody is asking how to use it.
It's pretty simple. You just take a little quantity. I don't know if it's visible, but this is enough quantity. Massage.
Does it help with beard growth?
Obviously, you're looking at the results. It smells so good. I forgot how lovely it smells. So you need to realize the ingredients that are used in beard oil. You need to realize the ingredients that are used in beard oil are very different as compared to all of our other products, in a way where it contains cypress and hemp oil. Now hemp oil is brilliant. I mean, this is a superhuman product. So you can try it out and you can see the results for yourself. Next is shaving soap. I mean, beard is temporary, but jawline is permanent. So if you are a gentleman who does shave traditionally, which is what we recommend, because modern day foam based and other shaving aids have their own issues, which I wouldn't mention right now, but I would definitely recommend using a shaving bar over any other product. So the way you use it is like your traditional shaving soap. You just wet your brush and gentlemanly, rather manly, move it over your shaving bar. You'll get a rich lather. Now this lather is pretty stable and it cushions your skin for a close shave. So जो skin का cushioning है, उसके लिए do we have a question?
We have 3 minutes to go.
Okay. So the butters and oils that are used in our shaving soap, they minimize the risk of all the nicks and cuts and irritation, and it gives a ground to glide for your razor to glide smoothly. इससे आपके razor की भी life बढ़ती है. How? Because it has all the good butters and oils in it which lubricate very well and will give you a great shave without any friction. Lastly, I would definitely come back to our hero product that has made the name for our brand. It is our neem basil face wash and our other face washes that will suit your skin type. We have garnered over 25,000 five-star reviews for this product. You need to take care of your skin in winters. You need to have a clean skin before you apply any of the products that will then moisturize your skin. And there is no other product which is better than these face washes. Our face washes are concentrated, and those are the first concentrated series of products that we came up with, and you accepted really, really well. So, for acne prone skin and all the oily skin people, you have neem basil face wash, sandal face wash for sensitive skin and all the skin types. We have this consistency of the product, if you can see. Now, this little jar will last you anywhere between 3 to 5 months, depending on how well you use it. This guy should go up to 6 months easily. Juniper berry is for sensitive skin people and for people with really dry skin. So your winter hero is this product. Charcoal, तो ठीक है, summer वाला product है, but if you're feeling brave, if you do oil your face before washing it, go ahead and give this geranium charcoal a try. And rose is rose, you can use it rose. So thank you so much for joining in today. That's all. But the good news doesn't get over. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा था, if you watch 30 seconds of this stream, you are eligible to a 15% discount on the products that we've showcased below. And I hope you guys give our products a try. We are a small business based out of Satara, and every order means a lot to us, hoping to make your day and your skin bright. Thank you so.
We have a question. Is beard oil chemical free?
Obviously, yes. All our products, the entire Rustic Art range is chemical free. We only use the oils that we would eat. हमारा एक philosophy ऐसी है कि जो खाओ वही लगाओ. So chemical free and very very, toxin free. Everything that you can imagine. It's only made up of good stuff. Do we have any other questions?
Is lotion does it cause sweating?
नहीं, if used optimally it wouldn't. Obviously, अगर आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हो, it will result in this stage. तो जैसे अगर आपकी स्किन सैचुरेट हो चुकी है मॉइस्चराइजर से, उसके बाद वो स्वेटिंग होती है. बट इफ यू यूज जस्ट इनफ दैट योर बॉडी डिजायर्स, देयर विल बी नो स्वेटिंग. That is it. Well, again, I would like to thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining in today's live, and we're looking forward to your orders and making your day bright. Thank you so much.